It's all the same Thor crap.
45.
Single, you want to come out to Vegas with us?
No. No more for me. No more for me.
Here.
Wait, don't show that. We're in California. Marriage is the first step to divorce.
Feeling, dude. Just don't panic. There they go, guys. Wow, guys, look at this thing, all finished, bumpers front and rear. Man, 2-inch bumper, looking good. Reservoir Fox shocks with a compression adjuster. Man, this is the real deal, dude. Like, I'm really excited to see all this come to life right now. And we got the owners right here, and they're actually on their way to Vegas in a second. What do you honestly think?
It drives better than it did, for sure.
It's amazing. The suspension is great. It handles fantastic. You know, bumps going up and down, things like that. Nothing but great things to say about it so far. And we drove it interstate. We drove it back roads, up and down to the mountains. I
drove it off the road and back on.
Oh,
and
yeah.
Transitioned
like in the test drive video.
Yeah.
Put that clip.
I'm amazed by the difference between driving ours versus driving this.
Yeah, because I was going pretty slow and I kind of got that parade of folks, and so I'm like, kind of did a little pull off.
Yeah.
But then just came back on, and it didn't give me that whiplash neck situation.
The top heavy is gone.
Yeah.
The
popping noise. That popping noise is gone.
Oh, I didn't hear about that. So you guys had a popping noise beforehand.
It used to rock.
Well, and the problem, that wasn't suspension related, but they found where our frame, the welds were terrible, like little spot welds.
Okay.
And then he figured out that our jacks, or our stabilizers, when we put it up, they weren't stable. So he actually built a brace down under there. And I mean, you know, we paid extra to have him just take care of it while I was all here. So he fixed the frame. So if you have an Omni or a Magnitude, climb your ass under, look at your stabilizers.
Some have that, some don't. We're talking about the brace that goes between the stabilizers. Yeah, so pretty clutch that we have them there. It looks really awesome. I love the tires on it.
Yes.
Now, where are you guys going?
We're leaving here as soon as they put that spare tire on the back.
We're just waiting on the spare.
Vegas, baby.
We're going to
baby.
Vegas for a couple weeks in a campground.
For my girl's birthday party.
For a birthday party. We got a friend flying in, Angel. Hey, Angel.
Angel. 45.
She's single. You want to come out to Vegas with us? Come on.
No. No more for me. No more for me. No. I have my hands full.
And then we're gonna hit Utah.
And then we're gonna start. It's gonna be several months of just boondock off road. So we'll definitely be sending you some pictures and some videos of where we've been.
Amazing. Well, I'm gonna put this out there again.
Okay.
Comment down below if you want to see their YouTube channel, because they're just so cool and they're so fun.
ChatGPT says I should do one.
No. Let the real people talk. Come on now. No, but you guys are really cool. Like, it was great to meet you guys. Like, I edited the video. I got to see your test drive. See you meet Jeremy at courtside. So it's great to see you come to the shop all the way from where you were, and then get to see you guys with your finished product. Like, that's just really awesome to me. We haven't had that experience many times, even with our Class C or van customers, as far as video goes. So just thank you for your business. Thanks for coming out. You know, hopefully the journey's really great. Don't worry, I had donuts earlier too.
I was eating a donut.
No,
you come
amazing.
on the camera without eating a donut.
Just safe travels and have fun.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
It's like, what more can I say?
For the heat, you know, like.
Okay, so now I get a cool tour, because I've been dying to go in this thing, and I have not had the chance because we've been so slammed.
Step up on this one. It's a little bit more.
Okay. One step up.
It has legs that we put down.
Oh, this is so cool.
So yeah.
Wow, you guys are, you have all your memorabilia and.
I'm working on it.
Amazing.
So yeah, Dinette was here.
Okay.
We didn't use it except for a big place to pile stuff. So we ripped it out. The chairs that were here kind of sucked. So we got better chairs, put them over here, and then his buddy built us this.
Wow, that is so cool.
So tons of storage.
Yeah.
A little work desk if you need to. Oh, it's dirty though. Electric fireplace, so we don't have to run with the propane. Again, more storage for my stuff. It's got a shoe holder over here. Little IKEA shoe holder. Whoa. The shoes go like in here.
Wait, don't show that. We're in California.
And then back there. Oh, careful.
Yeah. So back there is our lithium batteries, and all Big Beer Battery did all the solar work on it.
Yeah.
Wow.
So So yeah, we just, I mean, we're like, we sit here and eat on our laps.
Yeah.
It's not fancy, but yeah, and we tore out the TV. The TV used to be up here. Oh, don't show that either, but. And
well, that's friendly in California.
Yeah, it was such a neck breaker for me. I'm like sitting like looking like this.
Yeah, always.
So we got that out, and now we do projector to screen, or we can run it on that if we wanted to.
Oh,
yeah.
amazing. You guys are so cool. I have projector in my house. I love projector.
Yeah.
My kids love it. It's just so much cooler, right?
Yeah, I was
Wow.
you know, we have to pull the blinds a lot more to get it nice and dark for it, but just the space that takes up versus that.
Yeah.
It's definitely a work in progress because, like,
Yeah.
you know, you notice up front we've taken it had that sliding cover for the
Here.
front window that breaks continually.
Oh, really?
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
We had 2 warranty repairs on it, and then once warranty was up, it broke again. So we just said screw it, pulled it out, and we just put some, you know, insulation up top, and now we just keep a screen up there. And we're gonna do something else with it. We just haven't gotten there yet.
I'm surprised hearing that broke because I used it before, and the magnitude that you guys drove in, we went to King of Hammers. I slept up here,
Oh,
and
yeah.
I got to use it, you know, and look out the window and stuff. So I'm surprised. That's
Those things break
Man.
on everybody. They
Yeah, that's
They're
one of the
so
big
heavy
complaints
and
in the
bulky.
Thor
Like
group.
if you were to like, you'd be like, why is this?
Yeah,
so
it's like these
big?
cheesy little rubber pulleys or belts with the little pulleys is how it operates, and the spring at the bottom breaks and then it stops working. So we just said screw it, took it out, put it. It's in our storage unit in Virginia Beach.
Thor.
Come on.
Do
Thor.
better.
Get a blind
Yeah.
or a shade or something that pulls through there. So,
But
yeah.
some of this fit and finish I actually really like. I haven't seen this in a magnitude yet, so that's really
Okay,
cool.
yeah.
We reviewed an Omni at the Pavona Super RV show yesterday. That was really nice, 2026, and the fit and finish was really great. But sometimes
Yeah.
you come into a Thor and some of the things, the panels, the wallpaper,
Yeah.
you know.
I mean,
but this one looks pretty good.
They're
We do.
starting.
If you put our slide out, the wallpaper
Oh, yeah.
along that top edge is just like you talked about in one of your videos we saw.
Okay.
That it's doing that. Oh, it's all the same Thor crap. I mean, and not just Thor. It's
RV.
every manufacturer that's not a Prevo or something like that.
Or a Grand Design Lineage,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
Super C,
But
something
yeah.
like that.
So this worked for us, and then we keep track of our little travels here. You know. So it's kind of a small line because we're going to have so many. But you know, this was last winter. This bounce around Florida here, and yeah, we
I love
started
Florida.
here 6/3/24, and that was it.
Wow. And here we are.
Now we're over here. Yep, trying to get to here.
Coming soon with the spare tire being mounted on.
Exactly.
Spare
Oh,
tires.
yeah.
Does it sound like it?
oh, I thought maybe I heard the forklift coming, but it wasn't.
So
Yeah.
that's this one. Oh, and you haven't said here. I'll just give you the rest of it. This is the half a bath.
Oh, right. Yeah. Oh, thank you so much for showing me this.
Yeah.
Really cool. So you actually have a decent, this is almost like just, yeah.
Yeah.
Like the Thors that just have the one bathroom right here. The Maxis was just one bathroom. It's like you just took the shower out and you still have that space
Yeah,
right there.
yeah.
So that's a
So-
decent amount of space
Yeah,
in
and then
there.
if you look past the bed back there, that's the full
Oh,
bath.
you
is
got a
right there.
master situation.
And a king size bed.
Shower,
Wow.
toilet on the end, and then yeah.
But then you got to kind of climb over the bed to get in it. And with the slide closed.
Yes.
Yep.
But
Okay.
when we're traveling, you know,
Yeah, you just got that one.
Use this and this. That's all
Yeah.
you need. So, and all we have to do is move that bed out to walk through there. And
Oh, okay.
This one does never have to go out to get to get back.
Which is
Yeah.
good because this is that enormous Schwintek slide
Yeah,
that
the
everybody
Schwintek.
has problems with. So
Ours is good.
ours has been great.
Yeah.
We love your
wood.
slide. You've done wonderful.
You've done great, slide.
Yes.
Please.
Super slide. Still
Oh, and then what we got here? We got the fire department coffee.
you know it.
Wow,
Support
okay.
our brothers.
I haven't seen that one yet. That's pretty
Oh,
cool.
no?
I'll have
They're-
to tell my uncle about it.
Yeah, they're a pretty big. I'm sure he's heard of them. The
Yeah.
guy, they have a YouTube channel, and they are
Oh, okay.
hilarious
Okay.
guys. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna make sure I get a good shot of that.
Yeah, if you search for fire department coffee, you'll
Yeah.
see it.
Yeah.
It's amazing. They're were you leaving for a while?
We're just parking there.
Oh, that should be pretty quick. That should be pretty quick.
There you have it.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, that's it.
Really, really cool, guys. Really great to see it. Thank you. Oh, I stepped on the wrong one.
that's
Sorry.
all right. No big
We
deal.
just
And
have to
the
come
best
jump
part
in.
is the step isn't on the floor anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had to buy some
I was
legs.
gonna. I got a key here. I just wanted. This is our solar stuff that Big Beard did for us.
Oh, cool. Yeah, you guys are natural at the videos. I mean, come on.
So we've got
They're always in there.
2 inverters, 2 charge controllers. These are all cable. So right here I have an Anderson plug. So I have 1,200 watts of solar on the roof, and I can plug in here, and I have 1,200 watts of ground foldable.
Amazing. Amazing. Wow.
Yeah.
Really cool. Love all the little details, how you hang things up, and
That's me.
just oh, that's you.
Yeah, that is definitely. If it was me, it would be a pile.
It would be a pile. He's a piler.
Got it. Yeah, I kind of have that OCD that you have.
I like lay in bed thinking how I can maximize the space that
Yes,
I have, which
yes.
is annoying, but
you have to.
yeah.
Well, you
right?
guys have a drive to Vegas coming up
We
pretty
do.
soon. Luckily with our kit, I think you'll be able to drive a little bit faster, pedal to the metal on the way there. You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna have to.
Yeah,
Said
absolutely.
it kind of looks like a Mad Max Road Warrior kind of a front end now, so like we can just like push our
you
way
just
through
with that
things.
bumper on it, just
Yeah.
boom.
Yeah.
Now, are we thinking of running a winch in the future?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, but I mean, we've got a 12,000-pound winch on the Jeep.
Okay.
So if I got in trouble now, you know, I could snatch block.
Oh, and we're towing this. This is the
Yeah,
Jeep.
this-
Yes.
that's our-
Okay.
yeah.
So we could get out of. And I'm not doing crazy things with it. This is for like going through a wash that most people can't cross. Like I'm not gonna take it rock climbing that kind of stuff. But yeah, eventually I'm gonna put probably a 20,000-pound winch on it and a couple lights.
Until then, I think it's perfect for storage.
What are you gonna store in there?
Well, I wanted to put the blocks, like the little Lego blocks, in there
Oh.
because they bring so much mess into the compartments.
Yeah.
We'll
That's
figure
cool.
something out. I don't know, a cooler, who knows, for snacks.
Just throw a bunch of ice in there, take out beers.
So yeah, there's still plans. It's a work in progress, just like anything. You start doing stuff, and then you're like, ooh, let's do this.
Get rid of the silver.
Yeah, we're gonna do the blacked out headlights eventually.
Oh, cool.
All the we're gonna black the get rid of all the chrome trim. And
Yeah.
And when you guys figure out how to get us a new step,
Yes.
that's your next project.
Yeah.
Yeah, we will come back for a step.
Oh, amazing. So you guys like San Diego?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we like it here, and you guys
Spent
have
a lot
been,
of money
you guys have
in
been great
San
to work
Diego,
with.
though.
I mean, I get it. It's busy. Like we got here, and there were like 5 or 6 of these here in the parking lot.
Yeah.
Crazy busy. So we're here a little bit longer than we intended to be, but it's the first time they've done it on the BT36, so the longer model. So I knew
Yeah.
they were gonna have to do tweaks and.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Nobody has seen the BT36. It seems like even Thor magnitude people don't know of this one. I don't know how we
No, I
stumbled
mean, I'm
upon
like,
it.
oh, the BT36, this is awesome.
Yeah.
You know?
But yeah, bath and a half, that changed our lives.
Bath and a half and a king size bed. The king size bed we gotta have that.
Yeah.
Because like we don't want to touch when in bed. Bedtime, her side, my side.
Yeah.
My blanket.
Yes, we even have our own blanket. One of us does a very aggressive flip,
Oh.
and it's and next thing I know, I'm laying there with not a bit of blanket on me. So we went to separate blankets.
Right on.
How you
Right
keep our
on.
relationships together. Separate blankets, separate bathrooms.
That's right. Yep.
And don't get married, right?
Never. Marriage is the first step to divorce.
And on that note,
Yeah.
we'll get you guys rolling out of here. They need to get out of here like right now because they're gonna be late going back to Vegas.
Okay.
Do you think you could pull out for a
I'll pull
second?
out right now.
Yeah, thank you so much, dude. Appreciate that. I just told him to pull out. There it goes, the Magnitude BT36 with the Weldtec Designs 5-inch suspension package. Dual Fox steering stabilizers, big tires, tube winch bumper, everything. Yeah, I really appreciate that, dude.
Of course, yeah, I never lose my keys. Oh my God, for real? Any phone there? Anywhere?
No, I don't see no keys there. You didn't leave them in the cab?
So weird. That's so weird.
Yeah, I hate that feeling, dude. Just don't panic. Man, everyone's in a frenzy today. So now you can't find his, oh man. Guess what happened? He can't find his keys.
Oh.
What the heck? I'm right there with you. Look. For the stress. Oh yeah. I like the new texture powder coat. It's like really good.
Really nice.
Really something dope. Dude, he can't find his keys.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. I mean, can't they pull out of here if we move this shit? How much shit is there to move?
It's pretty tight back there.
Yeah, we'd have to, oh hell no.
You didn't go far. They gotta be here somewhere.
Yeah. Well, that's a lot of shocks, dude. That was a lot of shocks. You got him?
Crazy, man. Go, go.
Oh, yeah.
They're on top of the pallet.
Okay, you're good.
Yeah, good one.
There's just never a dull moment here, guys. Like, there's always something crazy going on. Especially now that I'm out filming more of this stuff. Like, it's just the reality of having a shop and all these vehicles, guys. Like, vehicle there, vehicle there, vehicle there. It's just vehicle mania. Vehicle freaking mania, guys. So now we're gonna get the BT36 coming out the cul-de-sac. You're gonna see the ground clearance improvement is huge. Look at that, guys. Wow. That is one big motorhome. Step, not even close to dragging. Hell yeah. And then there comes our Jeep. The Jeep is the next thing. They're gonna tow it. Just another 5 minutes of freedom, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Just gotta hook up the Jeep and you're good.
Yeah.
Legit. The teamwork was just awesome. You guys are like a well-oiled machine.
We feel like we're out of practice. We gotta get going again.
Yeah, back on the road.
Right?
Woo!
Big step.
Yep. Safe travels. There they go, guys. Wow. That's badass. Another one done at Weldtec Designs. What can I say? Really excited. They're so cool. I mean, just a great time filming with them. And coming back to the shop, you see just one lonely Super C on jacks, patiently waiting to get done. But then you don't realize there's a Jayco Red Hawk right here. There's 2 transits inside of here. One is ours. Okay, doesn't count. But then you walk over here, and here comes an E-Series van getting ready to get done. Here comes Jeremy's RV. I did not expect this, guys. That's why I'm laughing. Here we go. A Forester by Forest River. It's actually a neat little RV. The original Thor magnitude getting fitted for some fender flares, and of course the final boss, the Jayco Esteem XL 32U Golden State Edition.
This badass awesome in America.